Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the Autobots logo from Transformers. It's like the logo and icon for pretty much everything, Transformers, but it's going to be really easy. This one's going to be simple, so let's get started, okay? I'm going to go through it with you and stay all the way to the very end because at the very end I'm going to do something to tie it together. So, let's go over here. Make like a straight line. We're going to start at the left side of the logo there. And then we're going to draw a hump in the middle. A bump. Line over here. Over here on this side. Down. Over here on this side, we're going to do the same thing, go down. Line over here. Line over here. We're going to draw a line across here. Not too far. Line here across here as well. And that's gonna meet the middle of the nose here. So let's go to the top first. Kind of at the edge of this bump. Line down. Line down. And then we're gonna pull down in a V. Down over here. Over there. Gonna go over here on this side and we're gonna draw the nose. So we're gonna pull down on this end, down on this end, pull down, pull down. Maybe even lower than this. I'm gonna keep pulling down just a bit more. Then I'm gonna flatten it out over here. Line across, line across. So I'm going to actually pull that line up a bit. I'm going to go over here on this side. I'm going to pull the jaw down. It's still like a face, right? Down right here on this side. Down right here on this side. Pulling down. Pulling down. Line across. For the bottom of the chin. Gonna go grab a line in the middle of this, kind of the middle of this jaw area between here and here. And there is a spider here. Hold on. Okay, I got that spider. So, let me come back here. I'm going to draw a line from here, kind of like in the center area, and I'm going to draw a line straight up. Like there. Right there. Inward here. Inward here. Over here on this side. Outward here. Up. Outward here. Up. And let's fill this in right here. There on that side. And then fill it in on this side. Line, 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 line. Gonna go right here, draw another V on the inside here, and then close it up, almost like a pie chart, and I'm gonna fill that in. Draw a straight line for the mouth, the nose here, and then diagonal down, diagonal down. Okay. So far, so good. So the last thing I'm going to do to tie it together is I'm going to throw a thick line around the contour right? The contour is just the outside. And I think that might be it. But yeah, there you go. That's the Autobots logo. Hopefully you dig that. Like I said, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you want to get notifications. I post 3 times a day. Also, you know, make a request for anything you want me to draw. Let's fix that line a little bit there. Make a request for anything you want me to draw, and hit that like, by the way. Hitting the like really matters. Go to other videos. If you do like them, hit that like as well. So, alright, that's it. Catch you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.